Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Yen and I like to film thrift related content. So if you guys are interested in thrift related videos, then please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, it would mean so much to me. And also give this video a big thumbs up. So today I have a really exciting video because I get to create a mystery box for one of my Depop buyers. And if you guys don't know, I like to resell clothes on Depop, Poshmark, and Mercari. So I will include all the links down below. I also have an Instagram for my shop, so I will also leave the link down below. Just follow that for updates and like promotions. But yeah, I recently launched mystery boxes, so you guys can go buy them if you're interested. I will have all the information on my Depop. Basically you can buy, I think, up to 5 items, and it's not like creating a full outfit, but I will select some pieces and just bundle it together for you. It will be based on what you're into, what you don't want, and your measurements. So I thought it would be fun to do that. I've always wanted to be a stylist, but I never really thought about it, and I've been seeing some YouTube videos, so I decided to do it myself. And I'm really happy because I got my first buyer. So thank you, Jules, for allowing me to create this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I put together for her bundle, then please keep on watching. So I'm pulling up her Depop and what she asked for. She's looking for 4 items. She said that she doesn't want low rise or mid rise bottoms. She only wants high rise, no boot cut or flare or skinny pants. She wants colors and possibly patterns. She's trying to expand her style, so anything that would help with that. So she liked a few of my items, and then I see sweater vests. They're pretty trendy right now, and I do have some sweater vests, but I don't know if she would want them because I do have dark colors. So that's one thing we will consider. I see denim, and I'm going to include a pair of denim for her just because I love thrifting denim and I have a ton, so that's like my specialty. I see some lingerie, which I also love thrifting lingerie, like this one. This is really cute. And then I also see denim jackets and like crew necks, mini skirts, also like crop tops, and then a bunch of my items. And then I see some just patterns and like this sweater, that's pretty fun. Yeah, just a bunch of sweater vests. So we're gonna go to her Pinterest and see. So on her Pinterest I can see more trendy items, so basically clothes that I would wear, so it makes it easier for me to select. So I see like mom jeans, low-waisted jeans, but she doesn't want low-waisted jeans, so we're gonna include a pair of high-rise. But I do notice like crop tops, mini skirts, so I'm going to try to select items that I would want, and we will see what we find. Okay, so the lighting is not the best out here. I'm currently in my living room and I'm so hot. I'm going to show you guys my little desk station where I put basically all of my new items. So I'm going to try to select some items that I think would fit for her mystery bundle, and then we can start narrowing down. But I don't have everything laid out to show you guys the whole process of pulling the pieces. I have 2 bins. One bin is full of my bundles that I try to create, and then I also have a bin of new denim. I have a spreadsheet of all the listed ones, so I'm going to go through that one first. So let's see what are some things that we can find. So from everything on this table, I picked out 3 items. The first item I have is a periwinkle button down, and I think it's really cute, very easy to style in the fall time with some denim and like a crop top or something. I also have this cardigan that is like a cable knit, and then the last thing I have is this argyle print sweater. It's like a kid's sweater, and it's red, white, and black, so I don't know if this would be like a dark item. I think it's kind of cute. So this pile, I have some lingerie that I have not listed yet, but I couldn't find anything there. So let's move on to this. This is my bundles bin, and I think I have some tops that I might want to include, like crop tops. So I have this really cute leopard print one. I have this lime green one that I think is really cute. So we have a lot of clothes that I picked out because I'm indecisive. So I will show you guys what I found, and then at the end I'm going to show you guys the finalized bundle and what I'm going to be shipping out. I wanted to make sure that this bundle had a lot of colors and patterns. So the first top I have is this one, and I think this is really cute. It's like a mesh top with the leopard print and a pink lace trim, very Y2K, and I'm going to insert the picture that I saw on her Pinterest. And then the other top that I have is this green color. It's like pastel green, and it has like a cream lace trim. I'm going to move on to like more like sweaters because I did notice that she wanted like cardigans and stuff. So I have this one. I think this one is really cute. I saw something like this in her Depop likes. It does have a fun pattern, and the only thing about this is that it's a dark color, so I'm kind of iffy about whether or not I should include this. And then I have this really pretty like green half zip, really soft material, just looks like this, and then up close. And then I also have this really lovely lavender cable knit sweater that you guys saw earlier. It's a little bit big. It's in the size medium. I thought this would be like a more oversized fit. This one I also showed you guys. It's just a periwinkle like blue corduroy button down, and I thought this was really nice. And then I also have this Argyle sweater that I showed you guys, and I think this was a really fun and pretty sweater. And then I did notice that she wanted a sweater vest, and I don't really have colorful sweater vests, but I did find one, and it is this Tommy Hilfiger pink Argyle sweater vest, and it has like a round neck. So that's why I'm not sure if she would like it, but I did see a few that had a round neck. And then I have two denim jeans. I was hoping to find a lot more, but I only have two. The first pair is this one. It's like a light wash Bill Blast pair of jeans, and I love Bill Blast. They fit really well. This one has some stretch to it, and then it's just, you know, high-waisted with tapered legs. And then I also have this one, which is in a darker wash. It's like a medium dark wash, and it's a pair of Lee jeans. And I actually saw her like a pair that was very similar to this one. It was like another pair of Lee jeans, and it looks like this. It's just high-waisted and slightly tapered legs. So now I'm going to show you guys what I have decided I wanted to include. So the first thing I wanted to include is the pair of denim, and I'm going to include this pair of Lee jeans because I think this would be a better fit for her. I hope that she doesn't mind this like darker wash, but I really like this pair, so I think that would be awesome for her. And then I'm going to actually also include this pink Argyle sweater vest just because I saw a lot of these, and I think this one is really pretty just because it's very different. It's like a pink Argyle, and I don't really see a lot of that. And then I'm going to include this one just because there is a print and very Y2K. I didn't notice that there's like a small hole, so I'm going to include a fifth item. And then the fourth item I'm going to pick out is this one. I think this is really trendy right now because of the corduroy, and it will be perfect to layer and easy to wear. And then the last thing I'm going to include is this because I think it's really cute, and I think it will provide like a variety of colors to her bundle, and I just really like this. I think it's really soft and comfortable, so I think this will be perfect for fall, and the color is really trendy. So here are all of the items for her bundle. I'm really happy with all of the items. I hope she enjoys it. If you guys are interested in a bundle, then please check out my Depop. I will have all the links down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And please give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!